we made you feel a bit more unicorny? Then we'll focus on finding your talents.
You do that for me?
Of course. Doodle-doodle-doo. Let's think of some ways to make you feel more unicorny.
Think.
Of course. You'll need a horn. Well, a hat.
Amazing! What if we added some more pieces? Like wings? And maybe a saddle?
Okay. I like how you tap your horse. It's really cool.
Oh, that? Oh, it's just something I do when I'm thinking.
Well, I've never seen anyone tap their feet like that. Anyways, back to doodling.
Awesome! Thank you, Doodle Girl.
There's a space on the harness for a special drawing. Is there anything you like?
How about a heart? Do you know how to draw one?
I do indeed. Just draw a line up and around like this. It looks like a fishing hook. Then do the same thing again, but flipped over. All unicorned up.
I look just like a unicorn. Thanks, Doodle Girl. I'll be a hit at the talent show now.